'tis I, earthmanbrick. Today we're going to be making up a TTcombat build, and that is the police station extension. Because we've already got the police station. And here it is. Here, we've made and built this one up previously in a video. And this part's just meant to sit on the latter half of the top here. But I thought rather than do that, we'll have it set behind it. And we'll just create this whole back section. And we'll do that using some old cat food boxes. Speaking of cats, I'm getting squeaked at by one. Poppy, you misbehaving? Yes, you are. Silence, beast. No! Away from the camera. No one wants to see your face. You're ugly. Now get out of here. Terrible creature. So yes, we'll put the... you know I'm only joking. Good girl. So yes, we'll have the boxes at the back here. We'll trim them down to size. This will sit on top. In order to get the texture along the edges, we'll use this textured wallpaper. Just to create a brick aesthetic. Stick that around. That should work. For the roof, we shall use cork sheet. Just to make the tarmac surface. Like we did with this one. Works relatively well. We shall also add like an old barrel just for detail on the top. We'll add some vents. Again, just a little extra detail. We will, of course, be using cable ties to make a door frame for the back, and we'll make a little fire exit. Not unlike the one we've got here, although not as detailed. We'll have a roof access panel at the top, and we'll create a frame out of that and just mount it onto some card like so, and then just have some diagonal bits of card all around the edge. You'll see what I mean when it's done. And yes, I'm just gonna crack on making this. I'll do a quick time lapse of me assembling these pieces. Shouldn't take long. And yes, we've got a bit of a treat here as well. We've got all those little push-outs. These are great. You can use these for making like little details. Anyway, without much further ado, you want to say bye, Poppy? No doubt she'll be coming back and forth again. Psst, psst, psst. Come on, girl. She's not interested. Oh, here she comes. Speak of the devil. Yes, good girl. See you again soon. Bye. Hello again, and I'm back. And I know that I said this building was going to be an extension at the back here, but I might have gotten a little bit carried away. And now it's become its own building. Yes, it's significantly bigger. And this is it just unpainted just now. I'm just a way to throw some paint on it. But I've done quite a couple of more things that I wasn't planning on. See, now you get two window variants. You get this kind and you get that kind. And I thought, you know what, I might as well just use these extra windows now rather than them just sitting in a pile for bloody forever. And I used some of the MDF sprue frame. This was what the windows actually pushed out of, to make a doorway. I mean, it can still attach onto the back of the thing, sort of. No, it doesn't quite work now, but oh well. I'm just gonna start painting this up. But the one other thing that I added, aside from cable ties, was these sticks. Now these sticks I got from, what was it? It was Guy Fawkes Night. That's what, when we fire off lots of fireworks. And so I thought, I always go out for a walk about that time, and then I pick up all the disposed sticks, and then I use them for builds like these. It's pretty useful, actually. Anyway, I'll be back soon. Bye! And we're back. And I have to admit, I may have gotten a bit carried away, because this is the original police building. And this is what we've ended up with. It's freaking massive. I'm gonna have to adjust this a bit. Push that back. Yeah, it's pretty big. I've also put on a little bit of weathering. There's a little bit of green stuff on there. And by green stuff I mean flocking and moss. It's still wet because I'm still very much making this. I've made this whole project within the space of a day. And I've got a little fire exit door there. I've just painted in the windows. Because of lack of time, I didn't really have a whole lot of other opportunities available to me. So I've scrunched it all up and oh my goodness, my fingers are full of glue and now it's attaching lots of cat hair. Messy, very messy. And I've made this building generic. It's not obvious what type of building it is, so that you can just throw on a sign on the top and bam, it's a Poseidon shipping company. Wait, no, now it's a supermarket. There we go. So, not bad, considering this thing was just meant to be for this kid, and we managed to turn it into a whole building. Pretty happy with it. Nice way to dip my toe back into MDF kits. Right, now I guess I'll put it on the rotating display stand or something. But that's all I've got for you, so, bugger off. Bye.